Hi beauties. So I don't know what she's doing right here. Please stop. But yeah, so you're gonna need a blow dryer, leave-in, Moisture Miracle. Then you know you got that Carol's Daughter black vanilla. What is that? Shea butter? Yeah, you gonna need that too. And a rat tail comb. Why is she going so fast? And the brush, and another brush, and an edge brush, and some strips, okay? And some mousse, edge control. Why do you need this much stuff? And some hair, okay? So first off, you're gonna section off your hair, I guess. It looks like she just washed her hair, so yeah. So she's sectioning it off right now. She kind of struggling. But y'all go subscribe to my channel. My name is Angelica. My channel name is Angelica. ANGELICAA period. So she's gonna start moisturizing her hair with the African Pride Moisture Miracle and the Carol's Daughter. And she's just gonna put that on one section at a time, and she wanted to detangle at the same time. She didn't show the comb, but I guess. So now she's using the brush to detangle. Now she's blow drying it. But y'all, the end results of this ponytail, ma'am, you might want to stay to the end, period. Good things only come to those who wait, okay? So she's putting shea butter on it now, and oil, Jamaican black castor oil to be exact. I don't know which flavor, I forgot what she showed in the first part, but anyways, child. And she's braiding it up because, I really don't know why. I guess to stretch it out, maybe. I don't really do hair, so don't ask me, child. Now she's doing the exact same thing to the top, I assume. And she's blow drying it, and just blow drying it, and still blow drying it, like, man. Now she with the shea butter. Is it real? I don't know. Her shea butter may be real, may not. No. Now she's braiding it up again. I don't know what she's singing. Oh yeah, she's singing the song Period, I guess. Not really, because some edges looking a little scary, but I guess. Now she's doing the back of her head. Why is the back of her neck so shiny? Now she's done, period, because I didn't want to sit through that. Great. But the kitchen, man, screaming at me. Just tap it. So now she got that all taken out. She dried her neck off. Yay. So now she's parting her hair down, like, y'all see it. Now she's using wet line gel to, like, secure the back, Did she use edge control, or am I tripping? Y'all seen it. Anyways, child. Now she's blow drying it because we need the maximum sleekage, okay? The maximum, okay? This girl will be dancing every video, y'all. Girl, please hurry up. Now she's parting it down the middle. You gotta get that part the Red Sea vibe, Just tab it. Why she had to put the ponytail holder on so aggressive, but I guess. Now she's doing the other section with the wet line. Baby girl, because it's the ponytail for me. It is the ponytail for me, period. I don't know what she doing. Ooh, Jesus, that part. I know y'all seen it. Thing looking a little scary, but we're not gonna talk about that, or are we? Because we got time. Now she's just slicking it down. Yeah, I don't know what she's using. Did y'all see it? I didn't see it. But then she's blow drying it. But please do not add 50 million rubber bands to your head. Your head will be screaming. She's taking it out and then adding it back in, and she's slicking it down. Okay. I just had to let y'all know if y'all didn't know. Okay. Period. Okay, because it's a slick back for me. Now she's using the Got2b. What is it called? Air spray? Y'all know what it's called. I don't know. Period. Giving me very much Mona Lisa. And just I'm gonna stop. But yeah, period. With the edges. She ain't even doing. She just. Oh. So now she's putting the foam on in the strip so she can like secure it best. Period. Baby, this is too much, cause and she gotta braid the ponytail down so when she puts the hair on, you don't really see it. Why is all them rubber bands on the hair, dog? Now I want you to get to it. Now she's just using some mousse on the hair as well to make it look more realistic, you know? Is she gonna get the white stuff out? So now she's securing it. She still didn't get the white stuff out. I guess it dried. I guess it did. I don't know. Maybe she did. Maybe she didn't. Maybe it's Maybelline. Period. Period. And the smile. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. 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 Ooh. Period. And what about it? So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye beauties. Don't forget to like and subscribe to good things. And she will see you in the next video, baby. Okay.
Bye beauties. Don't forget to like us. I don't even know what that was. I don't know how to add baby girl. This looks too good. But don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. My name is Angelina. So go ahead and subscribe if you aren't ready, because baby you are missing out. But let me see how I look with my glasses on. Baby girl. Y'all done messed up when y'all done made me did this ponytail. Baby girl, I still look old. And what about it? Yes, baby. Stiff wow. I'm trying to find it. No, just playing. But girl, somebody come get me. But if Angelica did the voiceover, hope you enjoyed that. Let me know what videos you guys want to see next. Follow all my social medias, baby. Stay tuned for a new video. Love you guys. Bye, beauties.